Hey guys, we're gonna saute some chicken breast today, just so we can have chicken breast with some salad. So I already put some garlic powder on one side. Um, I'm gonna put some black pepper, a little bit of salt, black pepper, salt. Keep it keep the seasoning very limited on it.
You put this already?
Yep.
Garlic powder.
Everything here is optional. You can you can put as much seasoning or less seasoning as you want, right? So garlic powder is very optional. I believe you do need to put salt and black pepper, right? Or else it will have no taste. Okay, so then we're just gonna cook this here. This fire has been heating up just a little bit of oil. So we're gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna cook it for like a few minutes on each side. And then it'll be ready to go.
And this is our salad.
It's our salad, and we'll put it together.
We have black beans, corn,
Grapes, cucumbers, eggs, oranges, blueberry, raspberry. We have some dried cranberry, some Mexican cheese here, and our salad.
We're gonna use this one here.
We're gonna mix it up.
Yeah, we're gonna mix the two of them up in this big bowl.
And that's gonna go with the sauteed chicken breast. The black beans and the corn goes really well. You guys should try it.
Yep.
And the salad.
And the cucumber too. And the egg. Actually everything.
Yeah. So, give it a few minutes. It's starting to cook. It's starting to get white here. The egg. Alright, so we're gonna turn it over on the other side. So it looks nice.
Look at that delicious color.
So you're gonna let that cook for a few minutes on that side. Make sure it's now raw inside, but not overcooked as well. And then we'll cut it up and put it in our salad, and we'll have a salad.
Yes guys, this is cooking up really nicely here. It's not time to turn it over yet. So we will wait another 5 minutes or so and see how it goes. We'll be back. Alright guys, this was cooking here for I think 7 minutes in total. So it's done. So we're gonna go ahead and make that salad now.
Alright, so we're gonna make the salad.
You're using this here?
We bought some ready-made one from the store. And we're just gonna add other things to it and make it the way we want it. That's the blueberry bliss. Okay.
And you're gonna add some of this.
Cranberries.
Because we love cranberries.
Some raspberries. some blueberries. Oh, you're really making a fruity one today.
Yep. And
Some
grapes.
grapes.
We have some extra large grapes. I cut it in half.
Yeah, grapes. We got some corn going, a Mexican corn. Oh, it looks very colorful. Add some black beans going. Protein.
Cucumber. You can cut this in square.
Yeah.
But I do it big. I love. Yep. And
We can leave the cheese for later, or you want to put it in
I
now?
want to put it in. Or you want me to leave it half?
No, that's good. Not too cheesy now.
And
Some oranges.
yep, a few.
Give that a stir. And we have some croutons to put on it after as well. My favorite thing on a salad is crouton. I love croutons, all different flavors.
And you can add some olive oil in here.
Yeah,
And
it's
red
optional.
wine vinegar if you want. It's up to you. I also have some nuts in here.
Yummy. Some tortilla chips. Make it nice and crunchy. That's it.
Guys, this is so healthy. And of course we got boiled eggs. My favorite.
Yeah.
Have to get it in my salad. Very easy and simple. Doesn't take 10 minutes to make.
And you can basically season it with, to your taste with salt, black pepper. You can add olive oil, whatever you want to do.
And we just take out the chicken. It's still cooking, so we can't cut it as yet.
We're gonna let it cool off, and then we'll cut it.
It's still cooking in there, right?
Yeah. Because when you make chicken breast, when you take it out from the pan and you cut it right away, it's not as juicy as if you allow it to cool down and then you cut it. Then it's very juicy and awesome.
Guys, look at this, all this goodness here. How life can get better than this.
How can life get better than this, right?
Look at all this healthy stuff. You have to appreciate it. Look. Let me know how you guys make your salad. There's so many different ways.
I love to put gorgonzola cheese in my salad too. It's really good. It's really nice, but put whatever cheese you want.
There you go. Awesome.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy our salad and our sauteed chicken breasts. Leave a like, leave a comment, give it a share. If you haven't subscribed, we ask that you consider subscribing to the channel Cooking and Traveling with Vish and Nalini. Okay, until next time, peace out.